Making potable water by KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to learn about treating freshwater, which is how to make freshwater safe to drink. There are different sources of freshwater. Freshwater is water found on land without large concentrations of dissolved salts. For example, rivers. The water found in rivers is not safe to drink. It contains material from trees, sediment, organisms, microorganisms, so although it does not contain any salt, it is not safe to drink. Lakes also contain fresh water, and like rivers, its water is not safe to drink until it has been treated. Fresh water is not only found on the surface, it is also found in deep underground rocks known as aquifers. To obtain water found in aquifers, we need to drill a well, and then we treat the water to make it safe to drink. Freshwater is not yet safe to drink as it contains leaves and sticks, also small insoluble substances which cannot dissolve in the water. For example, silt and clay are suspended, and you cannot drink the water if it contains silt and clay. Freshwater also contains soluble substances such as salts. These salts are dissolved throughout the water. Bacteria and other microorganisms can also be found in freshwater. We are not able to see these with our eyes, so it's important that we are sure that the water we drink does not contain any bacteria which could cause us harm. So there are three major stages to treating freshwater to get rid of these impurities. So this tank is linked from the water source where fresh water flows in. In this tank, sedimentation takes place. The water is stationary, it is not moving. This allows small particles to settle to the bottom. The water then flows into the filtration tower, which contains water at the top, then sand, and then gravel. So this is known as the filtration tower, where filtration takes place. The water that flows from the sedimentation tank into the filtration tower still contains very small particles. The sand and gravel beds separates the particles based on size. By this stage, sedimentation and filtration have removed the leaves, sticks, and small insoluble substances. The next stage is to kill the bacteria and other microorganisms. To do this, we add chlorine. Chlorine kills bacteria, and this stage is called chlorination. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So the water flows from the filtration tank to the chlorination tank where chlorine is added to kill the bacteria. The water is now safe to drink. It can be stored in the storage tank where it is then sent to homes and industry. To summarize, the three major stages of treating water are sedimentation, filtration, and then chlorination. Soluble substances remain in the water. They cannot be removed using sedimentation, filtration, or chlorination. They can only be removed by using chemical reactions where these soluble substances react together to form precipitates. These insoluble precipitates then settle to the bottom. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.